Warship hangs over the clouds. Space Force rushes to complete first orbital carrier poised to control the skies above every nation. The United States is pushing the boundaries of space technology with a groundbreaking project that promises to redefine the satellite deployment. At the heart of this effort is the development of an orbital aircraft carrier by the innovative startup Gravitex. This venture underscores the United States' strategic focus on space as an essential domain and highlights the growing collaboration between private companies and national defense entities. As global tensions rise, the U.S. is making a decisive move to secure its presence and dominance in space arena.